Hello, welcome to the RINI Tech Skills and Fundamentals. We are discussing about how to select the research topic of PGPhD Electrical Engineering branch. Up to now, we have seen selecting industries, selecting research area, selecting an applications and finalizing the topic. Today we are going to discuss about how to finalize title of the thesis and what is the importance of selecting title. So let's start understanding the difference between topic and title. So you already selected the topic, you already selected an application, and now you are going to decide your final title of your thesis. So it is very important to select the final title of the thesis because the topic gives total idea about in which area and which particular problem you are going to work. But during your research career, the number of times you will be asked your thesis title and thesis topic or PhD research topic. If you meet formally to your friend, your professional network, or you go somewhere for the conference paper publication, then someone will definitely ask about your topic, in which area you are doing research and like what you are doing in your research work. So you will give idea about your topic and brief about what you are doing in particular your research work. But in professionally, in so many applications, your form submission, your interviews and your reimbursement form for some travel and even for the some higher studies application. So in so many professional documents also you are going to write your title, and when someone read your title, it will be the first impact to judge in which area you are doing research. So it is important to select the proper title of your thesis. So we are discussing what things to be considered in selecting the title. The very first important thing is the what is title. So your title should give the brief idea about what you are doing in your research work. So when someone read your title, it should give the complete idea about your work. The next thing is the title should be very specific, but there is the difference in title of thesis and title of research paper. So title of research paper is more specific than title of thesis. So you are going to work for 3 or 4 years on particular area. So your title should not be very narrow or too much specific like the title of paper if you are going to work around some particular topic. So if the industry persons is doing research on particular topic and problem, it is the very specific problem like the research paper title. So when you solve some problem and writing the paper for that particular problem solving application, then you can have the very specific title of the paper. But in most of the case, academic research, you are spending 3, 4 or 5 years for your research career and you are going to do lots of research around your topic. So it should be narrow, it should be specific but not too much similar to the research paper title. So to achieve that, we can play with the word. Words are important in thesis title. So we can have the words like analysis, performance, or the investigation or study. So these words add in which area you focused for your PhD work. What should you add to your topic? So you already discussed about application, area and topic. So you can add word from your topic, application and area. So your thesis title, in addition to the word like performance, analysis, investigation, study, you can have your word from your topic, applications. So it will be better to specify your research work if you know the application. If you don't know the application, leave it, and you can also stick to your title, to the topic and your area. So let's discuss what should be avoided in the research title. So when you finalize the title, you are going to work on particular area, suppose say the power electronics or electric drive or the power system or HVDC fax controller. So whatsoever is your topic, you are going to do the so many things. So you will require the control system, you will require the different AI techniques. But if you are not particularly working on the AI techniques as we discuss in the application, then you should avoid the using the word of some techniques. So because when you use that technique, you will already use the word like analysis, performance investigation, and you are definitely going to use the different techniques. So that word you are going to use in the paper publication, but it is not necessary to use the word of any techniques in the thesis title. Otherwise, it will be very specific that you are going to work only this particular techniques and their advantages and comparative analysis. So if you are focusing on particular topic, use the word from the topic and application and not from the any technique, because if you are going to work for 4 or more years, the number of techniques you are going to use, you are going to compare them, you are going to analyze them, and that's how you will publish the different research paper from your thesis work. So hope you got idea about how topic is different than title and what are the things you can consider in selecting your title of the thesis. So hope you enjoyed this series of how to select the research topic for the PGPhD Research Scholar of Electrical Engineering branch. In next series, I am going to cover the tips for writing the thesis proposal and tips for writing your PhD proposal. So thank you for watching this series and hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share this series. Here is the channel, you can share the channel or you can share the individual video.